Today we're going to discuss about web scraping. So to put in a nutshell, web scraping is a process of data extraction from websites. All the job is carried out by a piece of code which is called a scraper. First, it sends a GET query to a specific website. Then it parses an HTML document based on the received result. After it's done, the scraper searches for the data you need within the document and finally converts it into whatever specified format. Now the question is, are there any challenges you may want to know? Yes, there are. After having some extensive web scraping experience, we have outlined a list of things that can prevent you from taking full advantage of web scrapers. Most of the websites are simply different layout wise. Not all the developers follow style guides. As a result, their code often contains various mistakes, making it absolutely unreadable for scrapers. Since the choice of the language on most of the website is based on your location, the content may not always be displayed in English language. Alright, so in this course, we are going to jump into the world of web scraping, and we will first start from the basics of web scraping. We will cover all the basics in the console application, and as soon as we will learn all the basic components of web scraping, we will jump towards the advanced level of web scraping and will utilize all the core concepts of the web crawling and scraping and will create a real-time application of the following website. Also, I will implement the web scraping in Xamarin Forms by using MVVM pattern. So if you are not familiar with the MVVM, then I will recommend you to go to the bonus lecture and first enroll into my MVVM course. Let's start learning.